Getting the message, your payment couldn't be sent. We take extra precautions on Cash App. No worries, it's common and usually easy to fix. Most of the time, the issue is on the recipient's side. If you're sending money and this pops up, the recipient should follow these steps. Open Cash App and tap the profile icon in the top right. Scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Now check two key settings. First, make sure incoming requests, or allow others to request money, is turned on. If it's off, people may not be able to send them money at all. Second, turn on Allow others to find me. This lets others find their profile by cash tag, phone number, or email. Once both settings are enabled, try sending the payment again. This usually solves the issue. If not, it could be a technical problem, restriction, or verification issue. In that case, go to the support section in the app, scroll down and tap Chat to reach an agent. Explain the issue clearly and include any steps already tried. That's it. If this helped, feel free to share, and thanks for watching.